Well, hello YouTube, Eugene here with a review on the Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger Zenkai Buckle. Yes, friends, let's go ahead and take the box. Right here it says Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger, and right here it says Zenkai Buckle. Right here, this little icon does indicate we do have a Sentai gear that comes with the Zenkai Buckle. But in our case here, we have three. And so we have the Zenkai Gaon gear, the Zenkai Magine gear, and the Zenkai Vroon gear. Got a nice shot of the buckle itself and a nice shot of Zenkaiger. And so here's the top of the box. Here's the bottom of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the other side of the box. And here is the back of the box for pretty much everything I'll be showing you in this review of the Zenkai buckle and the gears that come with it. Alright friends, so we are back with another Sentai buckle as we took a break when Kira Major was airing, and the last Sentai we had in the toy standard of a buckle was the Uso buckle from Usoldier. And so the buckles in general don't have lights and sounds, as the sole purpose of these buckles, both the toy standard and the show, that they are a gimmick storing buckle. As to the Zenkai buckle here, can store this year's gimmick, the Sentai gears. So taking a look at the three gears that come with the Zenkai buckle first, and friends, we pretty much need these gears here to complete our collection alongside with the Zenkaiger gear and the Zenkaiger gear. And so anyway, we're starting off with the Zenkai Gaon gear, and as you can see, it looks really nice. Got the number 25 representing Gaon Ranger in that nice gold, even though it's supposed to be a yellow, but could be a chrome yellow or a metallic, which has Zenkai Gaon's picture. It looks really nice. Look at the nice shine we're getting from my light. And so anyway, the gear in that gold plastic. And so anyway, on the back of the gear, it's got the Zenkaiger emblem in that nice chrome gold. And then I'm hoping to God you can see this here, but it's got B and 03 stamped there. And of course, we got more gold plastic on the back, which is very nice. Next here is Zenkai Magine gear, and as you see, it's got the number 29 representing Magine Ranger in that nice pink chrome or a metallic, which has Zenkai Majine's picture and the gear in that nice gold plastic. And so on the back, got the Zenkaiger emblem in that chrome gold, which is really nice. And I'm going to get a little close up again, and like I said, I'm hoping to God my camera is catching it or focusing in a little bit in, but it's got B and 05 stamped there, and more gold plastic on the back, which I love. I love these gears so much. And last but certainly not least, here is the Zenkai Vroon gear. Got the number 35 representing Zenkaiger in that nice chrome blue, which has Zenkai Vroon's picture. And the gear again in that nice gold plastic. Looks really nice here. Look at the nice shine this gear is giving with that chrome. And so anyway, on the back of the gear, got the Zenkaiger emblem in that nice chrome gold again, which is very nice. I really dig the chrome here. And so anyway, I'm gonna get a little closer here, and once again, I really hope my camera is focusing in on this, but anyway, it's got B and 04 stamped there, and more gold plastic on the back. And so just like the Zenkaiger gear and the Zenkaiger gear, these are the DX gears. And now we have fully completed our Zenkaiger team here with the gears here. Now let's do the sounds of these three gears in the Gear to Linger. So here we go. We're going to start off with Zenkai Gaon. And so anyway, let's do it. Change Zenkai. All right. Still tickles me with that henshin, and still love the remixes of the opening and indie theme songs of Go Ranger as a standing by sound. So everything is still the same here, pretty much from what we've done with the Zenkaiger gear and the Zenkaiger gear. So I'm going to go ahead and do the charging now. And hit the trigger. And of course, now that the gear is in the changer, the firing noises don't even change. And so now go ahead and hold the trigger again and crank the handle. Still like that. And that was very clever of them to do like a Gatling firing sound with the R's. But anyway, so now go ahead and continue on. So here we go with the final attack. Alright, let's flip-flop the gear, and pretty much we're going from Hero's side to the Kikai side. Here we go. And so here we go one more time with the final attack as the mecha with the Zenkai Gaon gear. So here we go. So here we go with the Zenkai Magine sounds in the Gear to Linger. So here we go. And so here we go. Change. Zenkai. I love how he says Zenkai Magine. I really like that. And so let's go ahead and continue on. And so let's do the final attack with the Zenkaiger, or in our case here, Zenkai Magine. And so everything's the same here with the trigger action here. And so let's hold the trigger. And for a big explosion there. And so we're going to do it again. And the fun part. Alright. So let's go ahead and flip over from Hero side to the Kikai side. And so here we go. Alright, and now time for the final attack with the mecha, and pretty much to finish up on this gear here, mainly of Zenkai Magine. So here we go. Now let's do the sounds of the Zenkai Vroon gear in the Gear to Linger. So here we go. And so let's go ahead and do it. Change. Zenkai. Alright. I love how he says his V's. Vroon. So anyway, let's go ahead and continue on. So here we go with the final attack. And so here we go with the trigger action. Nothing's really changed. Hold the trigger. Bigger explosions. Hold trigger again. Crank. Gatling firing sounds with the R's. And so anyway, we'll go ahead now and flip-flop from hero side to the Kikai side. So here we go. And so here we go. I love how he says Vroon. I really do. So let's go ahead and continue on. that that's done with, let's get to it with the Zenkai buckle. So take a look at the buckle itself. So the Zenkai buckle is a large rectangle shaped buckle which can be seen mostly on Zenkaiger. And so this is the storage compartment for our gimmick, the Sentai Gear. So it's in this silver plastic and it's got this nice chrome V mark which you can see your reflection with a nice shine to it. And so hello out there to all you viewers. And so anyway, and of course it's got the nice detailings on the front here. And it's got an even smaller V mark on the top. And so the buckle has two belt straps that come together to pretty much to put on, but this is made for a child's waist unless you have belt extenders for the collector's standpoint. But anyway, as you can see right here, it's got the R for right and the L for left on the back of the buckle. But I can be honest with you, friends, you can get another belt buckle and get more straps for it, you know. So anyway, so right here at the top, it's got this latch. And so you open it up here. And so here is our storage compartment that can hold up to 6 Sentai gears. And so let me grab the ones that came with the buckle just to prove a point here. So here we go. And I'll add the ones that came with the gear Zenkaiger. And it's a nice little storage unit here. So here you go, all 6. So like I say, it's a nice little storage here. I mean, it's nice and secure. And even for us collectors to have, you know, from either, you know, away from dust and all. And of course, if you want to get more gears and everything, you can get another Zenkai buckle, but that would be kind of crazy, huh? So let's close it up. And there you go, nice and secure and everything. But I do like it, but you know, in a way, my only wish for these buckles here is they had lights and sounds, but that's never been the case here when it came to the toy standard here. But all around, it looks nice, and I mean, look how nice and secure the gears are in. So really and truly, all I need is one more to add in this missing space here, huh? But of course, we are definitely getting more Sentai gears as is recording, or we already have more Sentai gears. So, but all around nice. I really dig this buckle. Just a nice little storage unit here. Well, friends, my final thoughts on the Zenkai buckle. I pretty much gave you all my input, how I feel about this buckle and everything. But the buckle is cool. But I always wanted lights and sounds with these buckles, but that's never been the case here when it comes to these kind of belts here. And it's nice for storing our gimmick. And speaking of our gimmick here, I am thankful we get 3 more Sentai gears with this buckle. And of course, friends, there are 2 ways of getting this individually, as I did it, or in a set with the gear Zenkaiger. So yes, friends, I 100% recommend it either way. So, and pretty much on how you plan to get it. And so, and plus, this is probably the only way you can complete your Zenkaiger team when it comes to these Sentai gears. And so anyway, so far so good, friends. I am loving the Zenkaiger toy line so far. So all I can say is, friends, good luck and happy hunting. And so, friends, that is it for this review. Please check out my blog and make sure, friends, you hit that bell icon when I upload a new video. And of course, my friends, this review on the Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger Zenkai buckle. I hope you enjoy. Well, friends, I'm Eugene. I'm saying have a good day, and my friends, I'll most assuredly see you next time. Bye, friends.